Bicol University, or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management, or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969, following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACUP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at Level 4. It is also a Level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli Simmons, or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities. This is Bicol University.
Nani? Mabuhay Bicol University. You are watching Bicol University live here at Bulwagan, Biueño, where we are getting ready for the Orgulyong Biueño, a culminating activity in celebrating of National Arts Month. My name is Clifford Ashley Obando, a journalism student and intern of the BU Communication and Public Relations Office. In a few moments, we will be expecting spectacular performances from the BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe, BU Coral, BU Cuerdas Operandi, and Tanghalang Biueño. This celebration is brought to us by the BU Office of the University Culture and the Arts Program, headed by Coordinator Professor Mark Glenn L. Tejada. The event is open to the public. Anyone who would like to watch is welcome here at the Bulwagan, Biueño. So, magana po ako na may interview. So, kuya, pwede po kayo may interview? Sure. Dito lang po kayo sa harap ko. So, ito po.
My name is Alfonso Ibrahim Mama po. From Institute of Physical Sport and Recreation, Bachelor of Physical Education po.
So, my question is po is what are
So ano nga bang ina-expect ko? Madami pa akong ina-expect, specifically sa field ng art. So alam naman natin na pag Bicol University, madaming kayang gawin and madaming kayang patunayan. So ina-expect ko lang po is when it comes sa art, ano bang bago, anong uniqueness ang pwedeng ipakita pa ng Bicol University? Yun lamang.
Yan po. Thank you po. So, live pa rin po tayo dito at the Bulwagang BUNyo. And sa mga gustong manood, punta po lang kayo dito habang hindi pa nagsisimula. According to the organizer, we are expected to start at 5 p.m. Kung hindi ka makakadalo, tutok lang dito sa Bicol University official Facebook page para matunghayan pa rin ang mga performances ng BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe, BU Coral, and BU Cuerdas Operandi at Tanghalang BUNyo. Muli, my name is Clifford Ashley Obando, a journalism student and intern of the BU Communication and Public Relations Office. Stay tuned, BUNyos.
Bicol University, or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region, Philippines, is a SUP Level 4 institution by Department of Budget and Management, or DBM standards, established on June 21, 1969, following the passage of Republic Act 5521. It has 17 colleges spread across its 7 campuses in the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, with the College of Law and the College of Medicine as its latest addition. And recently, the Doctor of Dental Medicine and Doctor of Veterinary Medicine. As of latest count, Bicol University has 82 AACOP accredited academic programs, with 3 programs accredited at level 4. It is also a level 3 accredited institution whose reputation as the premier university in the Bicol region is rooted in its consistent top-level performance in various licensure examinations, becoming recognized as top-performing school in accountancy, social work, midwifery, nursing, education, engineering. BU has been given its seal of excellence as CHED-recognized Center of Excellence in Teacher Education, Center of Development in Nursing Education, Center of Development in Fisheries Education, and Center for Higher Education Research. Its commitment toward national thrust and directions, and in meeting the needs of its community beyond the university borders, is reflected in its programs and projects as base agency for Bicol Consortium for Health Research and Development, or BCHRD, and base agency for Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resource Research and Development, or BCARD. Over the years, it has earned its place as one of the 22 leading state universities in the Philippines. Bicol University has also been recently rated as 3-star institution by the Quacquarelli Simmons, or QS Intelligence Unit, the independent compiler of QS World University Rankings. Bicol University has expanded its linkages to Europe and Southeast Asian universities.
Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon.
Maray na hapon
Sa Indogabos.
Whatever the language you may make use of, the essence of being one in this celebration is a reminder that all of us will play a significant role in this activity.
Indeed, this kind of activity reminds us that the arts mirror our culture and our identity. Samahan niyo po kaming ipagdiwang ang National Arts Month with our Orgulyong Biueño with a theme.
Ani ng sining, diwa at damdamin. I will be your master of ceremony, Andre Ashley E. Aranya.
And I am Andrew Kim A. Paz.
You know, Andy, February is most known for the celebration of hearts. But of course, this month is also an avenue for us to celebrate arts, which recognizes the value of our expression, supports artists, and represents our culture.
And above all, let us not forget, Sir Ash, this is a way for us to showcase our creativity in various ways. Since arts are seen through dance, music, and other literary kinds of activities. These are all trademarks of our existence.
Yes, Andy, and I truly agree with you. And of course, let us remind everybody who are present here in our venue to please minimize the sound of your voices as the presentation are, ongoing mamaya-maya. And at this point, maybe this is the right time we can move forward with our purpose. So without a further ado, may we request everybody to rise as we offer a few minutes for our prayers and intentions.
And please be reminded to remain standing as we sing the Philippine National Anthem.
Love you, Lord.
please be seated? A while ago, you have already enjoyed the few sets of performances that the BU Cuerdas Operandi have prepared for us. At this point, to set the tone for our event today and to make us all feel welcomed in this celebration, may we call on the Director of the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. We have Dr. Karina L. Sales to give the words of welcome. Let us give her a round of applause, please.
Isang makulay at masining na hapon sa ating lahat. It is with great joy and excitement that I welcome you all to the culminating event of our National Arts Month celebration. This month has been a vibrant tribute to the creativity, passion, and cultural heritage that define us as a people. Through various artistic expressions, be it music, dance, visual arts, literature, or performance, we have witnessed how art brings us together, inspires, cheers, changes, and enriches our lives. And we conclude the celebration. Let us continue to support and nurture the arts, recognizing their power to shape our future and strengthen our communities. May this gathering serve as a reminder that creativity knows no bounds and that each of us plays a part in keeping the spirit of the arts alive. Once again, welcome, and let's enjoy this wonderful celebration of artistry and culture.
Thank you very much, Dr. Salas, for the message. It makes us feel more excited to look forward to what will going to happen tonight. That's why, folks, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's welcome the BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe, BU Coral, BU Cuerdas Operandi, and Tanghalang BUeño for their opening salvo.
ngiti ng may kapal, langgay ng bawat nilalang. Ang lambing na dumuduyan sa buong pakiramdam. Limon, puno ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo'y ang kapit ko, kailangan ng lakas. Piliin mo din ang Pilipinas. Puno ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo'y ang kapit ko, kailangan ng lakas. Piliin mo, Pilipinas. Kailangan ng lakas. Piliin mo, Pilipinas.
Asan na si Jaira? Kami na ata. Kami na ata.
Tapos na po, Salvo?
Excuse po. Padaan po. Padaan po. Padaan po.
Ay, brava! Brava! Napakauhusay. Asan ang aking kasama? Banog? Banog!
Ay, nandito ako.
Nakita mo ba ang ginawa nila? Napakahuhusay!
Oo
Sobrang saliente! Bravissimo! Ganon dapat, Banog! Dapat matapatan natin ang kanilang pagtatanghal para sa darating na pista.
Ano to, kompetisyon? Rosa, hindi naman natin kailangan makipagkompetisyon. At alam ko naman na may iba't ibang galing ang ating mga artista sa ating bayan, dito sa
Tama
ating
naman,
bayan,
tama
pagdating
naman.
sa sining. Nariyan ang ating mga banda na mahuhusay sa trompeta at tambor.
Tama.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Kaway-kaway naman dyan.
Kaway naman ang mga banda na nakahawak. sa
Nariyan naman ang
instrumento.
ating mga kurista trondalia na talaga namang abot langit. Ang mga musika at mga tinig. Isang amen naman dyan. Amen?
Amen. Amen.
At ang ating susunod naman na magtatanghalay ang ating mga mananayaw na nasa likod ngayon. Isang A naman dyan.
Hindi nila
Busy
tayo
sila.
naririnig.
Nalabis kong kinasasabikan.
Tama. Pero ako, Banog, saang uri ng sining naman ako nabibilang?
Rosa, ikaw ay sining sa museyong hindi naluluma.
Grabe ka naman! Ano yun?
Mukha ka na kasing antik. Kailangan mo nang mag-isip ng mga bagong ideya pagdating sa sining. Dahil hindi lamang ito nakukulong sa pagkanta at pagsayaw.
Aber, ano naman ang naiisip mong pakulo?
Sa darating na pista, magtatyatro tayo.
Teatro? Yung kagaya dun sa lungsod? Yung may malalaking kortina, magagarang upuan, at pinagmumulan ng mga artista. Ay, gusto ko yan! Isali mo ako dyan. Paano ba? Isali mo ako dyan.
Rosa, makinig ka. Hindi pa bula ang gusto kong ipalabas.
Grabe ka naman. Anong akala mo sa akin? Hayop?
Oo, hayop ka. Sa ganda.
Ay, tigilan mo ako. Hindi kita type. Pero kung sakaling matuloy ang teatrong pinaplano mo, isa naman tayo magtatanghal. Wala naman tayong teatro doon sa sityo natin. Puro lang doon sa bungan.
Mismo. Kaya, marapat lamang na gamitin natin ang lugar na yon. Hindi lamang sa pagsusugal, kundi gawin natin yung sentro ng sining at paglikha.
Ay, kapanapanabik. Anong itatawag natin sa teatro natin?
Iniisip na ako.
Ano?
Tatawagin tayong Teatro Banog.
Parang hindi maganda pakinggan, no? Parang hindi maganda pakinggan.
Takpan mo yung tenga mo. Teatro Banog. Ganda. Sabihan niyo ako. Teatro Banog. Palakpak. Yan. Teatro Banog. Ganda.
Wala akong marinig.
Malamang.
Ha?
Ang sabi ko, malamang wala kang maririnig kasi tinatakpan mo yung tenga mo.
Ha?
Ang sabi...
Halaman! Ay! Akala mo talaga nabingi ako, no? Hindi. Ano yung art?
Bawal ka lang sumali sa teatro ko.
Grabe naman, huy. Isali mo ko dyan. Malay mo, doon ako sumikat. O kaya, makahanap ako ng bago kong nobyo. Sige na, isali mo naman ako.
Rosa, hindi pa ba ako sapat sa'yo?
Hindi. Actually, sumasobra ka na. Sumasobra ka na sa oras kasi ang alam ko, nariyan na ang susunod na magtatanghal. Uy, ayan oh! Nakikita ko na kaway naman. Ang gaganda ng mga
Kaway
damit!
naman dyan,
Gusto
kaway
ko
naman
yan.
dyan.
Mind ko
Kaway
yan.
naman kayo.
Gaganda ng mga damit. Tita
Pero
Ro-
Rosa, alam mo ang mas maganda. Mas maganda ka kapag walang
Tigilan mo ako, Banog. Tara na. Maghanap na tayo ng upuan para mapanood na natin ang mga baile. Ikaw talaga. Ah, nakakakilig, nakakasabik, at ang saya-saya!
Okay lang.
I know you're all enjoying the sets of performances that we have prepared for each of you. But at this point, we would like to call on Miss Dorothy F. Collier to give us a message. Let's give her a round of applause. Once again, let us welcome Miss Dorothy F. Collier, the Albay Provincial Tourism Officer.
Okay, thank you very much. Dito na lang. Good afternoon, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres, to the BU faculty and staff, the professors of the IPSR, Director Karina Sales, to the students, BU students, fellow Albayanos, marhay na hapon po sa Tuyang Gabos. It is an honor to be invited here for the culminating activity for the National Arts Month celebration by this reputable institution, the Bicol University. I am confident that as long as the Bicol University is here, our local culture and arts will never vanish, for this institution is a staunch advocate for the preservation of our heritage. The theme for this year's celebration, Ani ng Sining, Diwa at Damdamin, is very much true to the artists and performers of Bicol University. When they perform, there's so much soul and passion that the audience become convinced that our local culture and arts are indeed rich and must be preserved and appreciated. I salute this institution for its passion to inculcate our local culture and arts to the students and to the Albayano youth. I share this passion with you. May Bicol University and the provincial government of Albay, through the Provincial Tourism, Culture and the Arts Office, continue to work together in making our local culture and the arts and heritage be preserved and thrive for the benefit of the future generations. Congratulations, Bicol University, for a successful National Arts Month celebration, and I hope you do not stop doing this. Let us do this together. Diyos mabalos po.
Thank you very much, Ms. Dorothy F. Collier. Before you go, ma'am, we're going to award a certificate for your presence this afternoon. So may we call on Professor Mark Glenn Tejada, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, Dr. Karina L. Sales, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III. Ma'am, punta po tayo sa gitna. Allow me to read the citation. Yes po, ma'am. A certificate of appreciation. This is presented to Ms. Dorothy F. Collier, Albay Provincial Tourism Officer, in grateful recognition of her esteemed presence and invaluable support as an honored guest during the Orgulyong Bayueño, a culminating activity for the National Arts Month celebration on February 28, 2025. Given this 28th day of February 2025 at Bulwagang Bayueño Student Union Center, Legazpi City, Albay, signed by Professor Mark Tejada, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, Dr. Karina L. Sales, and of course, our very own Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III. Palakpakan po natin muli si Ms. Dorothy F. Collier. And yes po, we still have a lot of activities and performances to watch pagkatapos po nito. So, thank you very much po. Again, Ma'am Dorothy, for being with us this afternoon. Apo.
At
Andy?
this point, another set of performance will be rendered by Bicol University Coral, Tanghalang Biueño with their Caprichosa, Isang Musikal, and Bicol University Albay Magayon Dance Troupe.
Let's give them a round of applause, please.
Pag-change daw ng lights. Pag-change ng mood ng light. Yun ang cue pa. Di pa. Pag-change ng cue ng light. Oy! Bilisan nyo na! Anong oras na? Kanina pa kami naghihintay dito.
Nakakahiya kay Don Florencio kung hindi maayos ang ating pagtatanghal.
Ay, eto na nga. Nakahanda na. Galing pa kasi ako nina sa sastre para dito sa mga damit. Ito talagang si Banog. Akala mo, tagapagmana ng mga Flores.
Aba, dapat lang talaga tayong maaligaga. Kasi pupunta ngayon at makikisayaw sa atin ang isang tunay at kaisa-isang anak ng mga Flores.
Ha?
Talaga?
Sabay ang pagbigkas. Bungol.
Oo, at makikinsayo siya ngayon para sa pasayaw ng nayon sa linggo.
Ay, aba, Roman. Parang bigla ka naman atang ginanahan. Parang kanina lang grabe ang bagot mo sa pagtatanghal. At sinabi mo pang matatanda lang ang sayaw.
Gusto naman, Roman. Grabe ka naman, Roman.
Sinabi niya yun. Ay, sus, Roman! Lumang estilo na yan. Ito pa rin si Amor, ang kapareha mo sa sayaw.
Malas.
Oh, bakit?
Gusto naman,
Ba't pwede naman
si Amo
si
na naman
Amor?
yung isang taon niya, ang asim-asim pang...
Tama, dapat
Sabi
iba
na-
naman.
Hoy, sino naman ang gusto mong kapare? Asus! Roman, kung ako ang iyong nais, hindi mo naman kailangan gawin ang mga ito. Magtanong ka lang at agad naman akong oo.
Grabe. Asim!
Diyos ko naman, Ron, nakilabutan ka naman.
Patay! Natibok na naman ang puso ng mga paslit!
Si Julia, ang kaprichosa.
At! Akala ko ba'y nagmamadali tayo? Bakit ang dami ng paligoy dito?
Sige na.
Oh,
Ayusin nyo na.
bueno, pwesto.
Ayusin nyo na yan.
Bilis! Oh, ilagay nyo yan. Dapat sigurado. Igitna-gitna mo. Ayan. Oh, handa na ba ang lahat?
Ingat kayo ha.
Handa na ba ang lahat? Ang hina.
Opo,
Banog! Kayo, handa na ba kayo? Lakasan. Sabihin nyo, opo, Banog. Ayan. Pues, kumbancheros, musika.
Ayan na. Oh, mag-ingat kayo. Hoy. Oh. Maligayang araw at oras ng pagdating. Hinapot sa lubong ng nayon at tiring. Nagatak na lahat ng naririto. Ulak-lak, awit at sayawan ang nakaganya. Binata mong umibig. Nadala ng prinsesa. Tumaring ay walang nais. Ngunit puso'y umibig.
Senyorita! Ako lang. Hindi naman po, senyorita. Saktong-sakto lamang po. Ang totoo niyan, 3 oras pa lang naman po kami naghihintay. Ayos lang naman po. Di ba mga kasama?
Opo, Banog! Ay, di ba? Nag-e-ensayo tayo. Bilis na at bumalik na tayo sa pag-e-ensayo.
lang. Sige lang, mga 3 segundo pa. Ayan. mahusay. Oh, yung mga costume at props nyo.
Diyos ko,
Huwag mong
nakakapagod.
kakalimutan. Kumbancheros.
Nakakapagod naman ito.
Excelente. May lambanog kayo mamaya.
Kailangan mo ito.
Senyorita, napakahusay mong umarte. Pwede kang magdoktor. Alis muna ako, ha?
Tara. Dito ka.
Hoy, ano yan? Bilisan nyo na magsisimula ng palabas.
Ang lahat ay natutuwa at bawat lalo dito'y may tulugan. Tandaan mo ang pinaka sa dalaga ang tanang. Pagkat ang tala sa bukid ay kaos mo at mahal. Ibon sa puno ng kahoy ay hawin sa aliw at nagkundayan ang dahon sa halimaw. Hey! Ang huhusay. Abangan kaming mamukadkad ngayong Marso.
Kapritsosa,
Isang musikal.
at ang isa pang dulang El Mahusay.
Sa Bukal Amphitheater. Kita-kits!
bebo, 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 ikaw aking bebo, 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 ikaw ay Filipino, 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 Filipino.
Like finding needles in a stack of needles. Here we go.
Say, eat it up like it's so like kitty cat. Serve it up, serve it up, serve it up, and we can eat it up like. Lemon, the books is right and boom it. Ballin', hit that strap.
Sandal mo sana ang ulo mo sa una. Katawan mo ay aking kukumutan. Mga problema ay iyong malilimutan. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. I'm old school.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
I'm Filipino, despite any turmoil. I'll be proud of my soil.
saan naglabas ang bulkan ng sinaw at abo. Inalikas ng bibog sa mga residente na nasa permanent danger zone o yung naninirahan hanggang 6 na kilometro kalapit sa bansa ngayon.
Let us give a hand to the following. We have, a while ago we had BU Coral, Tanghalang Biyuwenyo, and of course the BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe. Palakpakan po natin muli ang ating mga individual. I know you are all thrilled of the performances that you have witnessed a while ago, but we will be putting things on a pause for a while. And yes, allow me to call the very own Bicol University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, to give us a message. Once again, let's welcome the BU President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III.
Happy birthday. Sa mga alagad ng sining at mga tagapalaganap ng kultura, sa ating orgulyong Biyuwenyo, isang masaya, maani, at hitik na hitik sa damdaming pagbati. Sarong maimbong na banggi sa Indogabos. Today, we gather for the culminating activity for the National Arts Month to celebrate and rejoice in this vibrant celebration of creativity, passion, and imagination. Hindi lang tayo nagagalak dahil sa ani ng sining. Hindi rin lang tayo nandirito upang makipanood lamang. We are here not just to witness or be mere spectators, but as active participants in a tribute to the National Arts Month. We pay homage to the diverse forms of artistic expression, a testament to the power of art to transform, inspire, and unite. Sa mundo na kadalasan ay nahati ng mga iba't ibang pananaw at ideolohiya, sining ang nagiging wika at tulay tungo sa malawakang pagkakaisa ng puso, isip, at gawa. In a world that often feels segmented, arts remains a universal language. It speaks to our deepest emotions, bridging cultural divides and opening our minds to new and better perspectives. In whatever form, the evocative strokes of a painter's brush, the stirring melodies of a composer, or the powerful narratives of a playwright, art has a thoughtful ability to touch our soul and ignite our spirits. Today, as we celebrate this culmination of the National Arts Month, together with our very lovely and dynamic Provincial Tourism Officer, Madam Dorothy, and the Director of the IPSR, the Cultural Consultant of this presentation, Dr. Karina Sales, the Dean, OIC Dean, Acting Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Professor Jassy Perial, the Director of the Sentro ng Wika at Kultura, Dr. Evelyn Olikino, together with our Acting Board Secretary, Professor Dave Stonga, and the rest of all the faculty, the coaches and traders, the advisors of this multifaceted art organization. Let us remember them, the artists, the performers, the visionaries who dare to dream as we dream to push the boundaries and challenge convention. We honor their dedication, their resilience, and their relentless pursuit of beauty and truth. Their work reminds us that creativity is not confined by rules or limitations. It is boundless, ever evolving, and deeply human. This is the picture of the true humanity. But let us not forget that art is not just for a few select or talented souls. It is for everyone who is willing to listen to the voice within as we express ourselves in dances, poetry, songs, or even the amateur's doodles. We are continuously contributing to the weaving of our rich cultural heritage. Let us see the world not only for what it is, but as it could become, the way an artist sees the world and the realities of life, embracing our uniqueness and encouraging others to do the same. As we joyfully end this National Arts Month, the month of February, the month of my birthday, and the month of everything, let us pledge to support and nurture the arts in our communities, creating spaces where artists can thrive, where their voices can freely and be heard, and where their work can flourish and be deeply appreciated. Let us find ways to inspire the next generation to pick up a paintbrush, a camera, a musical instrument, or a pen, and explore the limitless possibilities of their creativity beyond the traditional borders of reality. But more than this, let us not forget that art is more than a form of expression. It is a source of hope, a beacon of light, a reminder of our shared humanity. May we continue to celebrate, cherish, and cultivate the arts and make it our passion in Bicol University and beyond, and be steadfast disciples of faith in the power of arts, a gift from our ultimate Creator of all. Padagos lang mga biyuenyos, Diyos ang mabalos.
Ano? Mabuhay Biwenyo, matapos ang makukulay espekular na mapaganap sa sining at kultura, ang ating mga mahusay at talentadong Biwenyo ng Bio Albay Magay Dance Troupe, Bio Coral at ang Tanghalang Biwenyo. Abangan naman natin ang hinahandang musika ng Biwenyo Cuerdas Operandi at ang overall closing performance dito pa rin live mula sa Bulwagang Biwenyo. Itong selebrasyon ating hatid sa atin ng Bio Office of the University Arts Program na pinumunuan ni Mark Glenn L. Tejada bilang parte ng selebrasyon ng National Arts Month. Ako si Janer Gonzalez, journalism student and BOCPRO intern student.
Das Operandi. Bigyan po natin ng palakpak.
Ayan, napakagaling ng mga nagtatanghal ngayong araw. Because celebrating this event with us truly leaves a mark. We are all gifted in terms of arts in varied forms. But to provide us with the words of gratitude, we have Professor Jaslyn T. Imperial, the Acting Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services.
Good evening, everyone. So as we draw the curtains on this vibrant and inspiring celebration, Orgulyong Biueño, we are filled with immense gratitude for the collective passion, creativity, and dedication that have made this event a resounding success. This gathering was more than just a culminating activity. It was a profound testament to the unwavering spirit of Bicol University as a university for humanity, where culture and the arts serve as a bridge for deeper connections, meaningful expressions, and transformative experiences. To the incredibly talented performers of the BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe, palakpakan po natin. The BU Coral, the BU Cuerdas Operandi, and Tanghalang Biueño. Your performances were nothing short of extraordinary. Through your artistry, you have given life to our shared stories, heritage, and aspirations. Again, to the performers, thank you for igniting our hearts with inspiration and pride. To Professor Mark Glenn Tejada, our University Culture and the Arts Coordinator, palakpakan po natin siya, and also our overall coordinator for this wonderful event and his team, Professor Wilvin M. Mendaza, University Dance Troupe Coordinator, Prof. Apple N. Rubio, Coordinator Trainer, BU Cuerdas Operandi and BU Coral, to Mr. Jobert Landeza, Trainer, Advisor, Tanghalang Biueño, to Professor Dennis Mirabueno, hi sir, to Jessa Sabas, your hard work, leadership, and unwavering commitment have ensured that this celebration was a magnificent showcase of Bicol University's cultural excellence. To Dr. Calirina L. Sales, Madam, our University Culture and the Arts Creative Consultant, your invaluable guidance and passion for the arts continue to shape a thriving community within our university. Of course, a special word of gratitude goes to our Bicol University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, whose unwavering support for culture and the arts has been truly inspiring. Your leadership continues to uplift and empower the entire BGU community, making our vision of a university for humanity a living reality. To our esteemed guest, Ma'am Dorothy F. Collier, Albay Provincial Tourism Officer, we are deeply grateful for your presence and message of support. To our Acting Board Sec, Prof. Dave Stonga, hello sir. To Ma'am Dr. Evelyn Olikino, our Sentro ng Wika Director. To our Deans and Directors who visited. To the heads of offices, to the faculty, especially of IPSR. To our students, majority from IPSR. Hello guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for sharing this moment with us. To our guests and other participants, thank you very much. So as we close this chapter of the National Arts Month celebration, may the passion and purpose we have witnessed today continue to inspire us to champion the arts, celebrate our identity, and contribute to a future where creativity uplifts and unites humanity. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang sining at mabuhay ang Bicol University. Good evening, everybody.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jaslyn T. Imperial, for the words of gratitude. Indeed, maraming salamat to all the individuals who are here celebrating this Arts Month with us. And before we conclude our activity tonight, once again, this is your host, Andre Ashley Aranya, together with me.
This is Andrew Kimay Paz.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all clap our hands to the closing performance of the Culture and Arts Group, together with the University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Neves III, with their Galing Biuenyo.
Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, whoa, Sa bawat biyuan yung nandirito, taglay mo ang galing na sigurado. Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamalas, tunay kay tatak biyuenyo.
Sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon, dahil kailanman di mawawala pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa. Halina't sumabay sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagtinigil ng biyuenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, biyuenyo tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas, ngunit galing ng biyuenyo ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas, ngunit galing ng biyuenyo ay di kumukupas.
At susungin lahat ay kakayanin, tulang-tulong abutin mga hangarin natin.
Tayo'y handang matuto, kailan may hindi susuko. Sa galing ng pamumuno, tayo'y naging buo. Tayo'y pinagtitibay ng panahon. Kahit tayo'y magkakaiba, ngunit tayo pa rin ay nagkakaisa. Biyuenyo, halina't sumabay. Ikaw at ako, biyuenyo tayo. Ay lumilipas, galing ng biyuenyo ay di kumukupas.
Biyuenyo, orgulyo Bicolanan dito pa ako rago sa Imandarahon, da imapadaog, sararos, sarabay, may paglaom sa gabos, dahil yaman ang gatang tunay na tatak.
Na Biyuenyo!
Pag sinabing biyuhan niya magaling, siguradong titingalain na mumutawi ang pag-ibig sa iyong pusta pag isang tunay na biyuhan niyo.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng biwenyo. Kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Toas no sa kabaitan ng iyong puso. Kahit saan man dalhin ang mundo. Biwenyo, halina't sumabay sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y naglilingling ng biwenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, biwenyo tayo. Biwenyo, hindi na sumabay sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y naglilingling ng biwenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, biwenyo tayo. Biwenyo, halina't sumabay sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagtiling ng biwenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, biwenyo tayo. Oras ay lumilipas, ngunit galing ng biwenyo ay di kumukupas. Kahon, oras ay lumilipas, galing ng biwenyo ay di kumukupas. Galing ng biwenyo ay di
Thank you very much. That concludes our event for today. Happy Arts Month, everyone. And we hope to see you all once again next year as we celebrate. So let's...
Grabe, isang gabing puno ng talento, kultura at sine ang ating nasilayan ngayong gabi. Dito sa Bulwagang BUenyo. From amazing performance from BU Albay, Bagayon Dance Troupe, BU Choral, BU Condense. Baba. Ako si Dea Rico, sa journalism, intern of BU
Hanggang sa muli, this is your host, Andre Ashley Aranya.
Andrew Kimay Paz.
Now, signing off. Good evening.
Thank you po.
Grabe, isang gabing puno ng talento, kultura at sining ang ating nasilayan ngayong gabi dito sa Bulwagang BUenyo. From breathtaking performance of BU Albay Magayon Dance Troupe, BU Choral, BU Cordes Operandi at ang Halang BUenyo. Talaga naman napakagandang selebrasyon ngayong National Arts Month. Muli, isang pagbati at pasasalamat sa lahat ng performers, organizers at syempre sa inyong nanunood sa Bicol University Facebook Live. Ako si Daniel Rico, journalism student at intern of BU Communication Public Relations Office. Maraming salamat at patuloy nating ipagdiriwang ang sining. Hanggang sa muli, BUenyos!
Bicol University or BU, the premier university in the Bicol region.